Hello everyone and welcome back to Gardening with Green. Today I'm going to be harvesting my corn. I have a couple of ears ready, so let's see how many we got. So excited. Okay. Let's see what we got. About 8 ears. See if this is the ornamental or the gem sweet corn. It's pretty, don't it? It looked like it cross-pollinated with the yeah, it looked like it cross-pollinated with the Indian red corn. It's nice though. That's the glass gem. Let's see about this early Bantam sweet corn. Let's see what it looked like. It looks good. It wasn't done. It looked like it was trying to cross-pollinate too, don't it? Yeah, like it could have got pollinated a little bit more up there, but for the most part, it's looking pretty good. All right. Thank you for tuning in to the channel, and have a good day.